So, if I don't unplug the computer, and bring the cord back from inside, see, like right now, I've got the computer hooked up outside on my porch. I know, probably a very bad idea, but, I gotta unplug the main cord, bring it in my bedroom, and plug my phone up and charge it, or I won't get the videos uploaded. So, yeah. Oh God, the that's a mess. Wait, all that's a mess. I gotta fix that. But, anyways, no, I've gotta. I've been kind of skipping out on my normal responsibilities. It's a habit, hassle, piece of crap. Aha! Methinks I got it. Whoa, there I am. So, yeah. Now, all three videos. Wait. Oh, no, give me the cord. Ah! Extension cord. What was hard? Extension cord, plug in. Got that. Got the charger. Oh, sorry, sideways. Got the charger. And we're good to go. So, yeah. Good morning, good night, good morning, night. I guess, I don't know. Anyways, much love and light. Take care of yourselves. Love you. See ya. I didn't want a picture. What the fuck? Go off.